I just build this n8n workflow for myself, obviously, because I usually sell some, online consultancy services like, website developments, things and all. And obviously in some, cases, I will be selling some code bases too. So for that reason, for increasing my revenue, I usually simply manually upsell something to the client. So for example, let's say one a client simply purchased one code base of my, of a SaaS template or something I just built. So I usually, upsell something like, free, technically a support backup for 30 days or 60 days, or, so that was simply sample. So I will simply upsell something. So most of the cases, the client will accept that particular upsell. So in that case, I will simply, earn some extra cash, right? So for that reason, upselling something is do needed in these days to simply maximize the whole profit that we are going to grab that from one particular customer. So this particular workflow will do exactly that. But before going to the execution part, let me just explain you the simple workflow thing one by one. So this workflow will get triggered whenever this Jotform gets submitted and the user had to pay it. So Jotform is so goddamn easy. So we can simply use this AI agent to simply build a form like this. So whenever a user simply submits and pays this particular form, and this workflow will get fires up with this node, and it will grabs the user email address and every single thing which were user submitting over here. So this every single thing, every single detail that user had submitted here will get into this Jotform trigger, and from there we will be using the customer's email address and sharing the digital file that we are selling to the client. So for that, we should be saving that particular digital file or digital code base within our Google Drive, and we just have to select over here. So, okay, so after that it will simply share the digital file with the user, and after that we will simply use Google Sheet node and will simply save the sales record. Okay, so after that, this is the main important part where the whole upsell thing was going on. So right now there is nothing I can simply upsell. So for simplicity, I simply use it, uh, upselling my upselling the opportunity to simply join my Discord community. So that's how I simply tested these things out. So you know just a second. So whenever this particular AI agent will get executed, AI agent node will get executed, so it will simply create a thank you mail first of all, and at the end of the mail it will simply grab a Discord server link to join. So obviously, so that is the only thing that I am upselling right now. So you guys can simply change the whole prompt and change everything, anything to your needs, and also that's it. And after that, that particular AI output will be get outside to this, and the user will receive a email from us, that particular email that we got generated over here. Okay, so let's just see things in action. And obviously, I forgot this particular node, so it will simply you know ask the LLM to give the output in this particular structure. So this is the whole requirement of this structured output. So in some cases, it may simply create some issues by using this output parser too, but it's fine. Okay, so let's just wait for a second and let's see things in action. Okay, so yeah, let's simply start paying. Thank God I was not bought. Okay, so technically it should be started execute. Yeah, it simply triggered the node. Let's see, sometimes we may get errors. So we can simply turn on the fallback mode in the AI agent node. So it will simply be taken care of. So nothing to worry. Okay, so it got succeeded. So if things go on perfect, the user will be should be receiving the particular Google Drive file that we are sharing here, and obviously the upsell email, right? So let's just see in this. So obviously we really got those two things, right? So here is the thing that you know this is the digital file that I simply started to sell, and this is the AI generator thing. And see, as I already told now, so it simply started upselling the Discord community. So we can simply change the whole prompt here. We can simply change the prompt here to upsell anything. So I just give you an example for upselling the Discord community. So that's it. Okay, so this is how this particular upsell you know workflow automation was for me. So yeah, that's it for today, guys.